Good morning and welcome back to Hoyam Outdoors. It is Sunday, May 29th today. It's the day before Memorial Day. And we got the rig loaded. Lucas and Brad are in. There they are right there. What do you got?
We got the chalky milky for when we're not catching anything.
Make the pain go away. Kind of waiting out this nice thunderstorm. We just had a little cell go through. It's a tornado warning about 40 miles south of us. So that's nice. We got another little cell coming, but we're gonna beat it. By the time we get to the lake, it'll be past us, so. That is a nice bike. Me, Lucas, and Brad stopped at Casey's here. We got some nice bike. So we're heading to the lake, heading to the bridge.
Yes.
I'm gonna do some rigging.
There one's
Yucky. I'm gonna do some rigging with chubs. Oh, it's starting to rain already. We gotta get in the truck. Then we're gonna do some trolling. So you guys stay tuned. We'll be at the lake in a little bit. Brad's wearing the same damn long sleeve as he was last weekend. Kids, I tell ya. Stay tuned. Are you able to hold it in here yet or no?
I got her on spot lock right now.
Walleyes! Lewis says turn the GoPro off. We're not gonna have a bite with this current. First eater of the day going back. It is honking out here.
Big? I don't know. Got the Gary.
Got her.
Gary. Oh, it's not funny. Yeah, it is.
Nice eater, Brad. Look at that cloud. Nice ones. Choked it. Get a measurement on her quick. Hold on here.
19 and 3/4. Let me see it. 18 and a half, maybe 3/4.
Tournament fish, Lou. 19 and 3/4. Hold them out, Brad.
Nice eaters.
Second eater of the day. Oh, just looks tasty. But we're doing catch and release today, so
You want to release them or what?
I want to take a video with the storm cloud in the background, yeah.
Brad, we can't have you waiting over the boat. Reel her up.
Oh my God, that's awesome. When them trees over there start tipping over, we should probably get over to shore quick.
Yep.
Get over into the trough. I want to see what the other end looks like.
That car is second guess. I feel like I can touch it. It's not that high up.
Struck by lightning. What do you think, boys? Let me get the hell out of here. Outflow jet. Correct. Now the current's getting less and more short. Really?
Yeah. Get out of the way.
There's a 20. Nope. Come on!
Whatever.
Is that eater number 3 of the day?
One big one.
We'll show them off.
Oh,
Your gill plates.
you on. Sorry.
Nice one.
You said it was scary.
19.
Nice, scary.
19?
Recorder.
I think I said 20, but is it 19? Perfect eaters. We'll see ya. Yes. Okay.
19 inches. Inches of that.
God, I love fishing. What does this even happen? Oh my God. Catch a gator. Break off. Deal. Nope. What'd you get, Lou? Another eater. Show her off. Nice ones. Only 2.5. Go back.
No way, you just, no way!
Oh!
That was a pig. You're gonna run out of stuff, dog.
It took the rod out of my hands. It didn't bite it. Just. That adds another 20 minutes. How hard is it?
Sleeper right there. Oh, yay! Get off.
Oh my God, what is this?
Fucking walleye. Leave the boat. I got it. I got it.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Ow!
How many are laying in here?
Ouch! Get the camera going, Brad. Get the camera out. Yes. Is it on?
Yep.
Nice ones. I finally got my first walleye of the day. 4 p.m. That's 10 hours. We've been out here and I finally caught a walleye.
12 seconds later.
Really? Good one? Holy balls.
They're 18-incher or so.
That man doesn't like that. Finally found a couple. 5 minutes after I got mine there.
Well, the bike just turned back on. Now we're gonna be here for another 4 hours.
Brad's pissed. He wants to go home. He has been fishing for the past 2 hours.
Ouch!
How big, Lou?
Come here and zoom in on this hook set.
Oh my lord.
Skin hooked in the top lip.
What's he get, 22?
Ouch! 23 and I pull it up.
23 and a quarter? Hold him out.